Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Jazz, and I have a question for you. I'm going into my infomercial voice. Are you constantly losing things? Are you losing your mind? Are you losing your keys? Are you losing your phone? Well, guess what? There is now the Airtag, which we are reviewing today, to help you find all your loser items. Sorry guys, I had to do that. So, if you are somebody that is constantly losing things, I know I've lost my keys just sitting down. I've lost my phone, didn't go anywhere in my car. I've lost everything pretty much, including my mind. Probably part of the reason why I'm here. But Apple now has something called Apple Airtag. Now this is going to be competing with I believe is the original Tile. And also I will be doing a comparison between the Airtag as compared to the Tile, as well as Samsung and Smart Tags. So we've got quite a couple of comparisons. So make sure that you subscribe if you want to know the difference between all of them. I will have that for you available soon. So once again, we're going to open up the Airtag, look at it, set it up, and see how well it works. Now, if you are an Apple user, obviously this is going to be your best bet versus other devices because obviously it's made for Apple. We're going to compare them. If I could figure out how to open this, that'd be so helpful. So update the latest iOS iPad OS, which I just did. Turn on Bluetooth, pull the tab. But hold on, I have to be able to get it out first. There it goes. All right, so I've got it out. The app is downloaded. It is going to be Find My app. Or it's Find My, the app. So let's go ahead and take it off and pull the tag. Okay. I will say, first of all, this is not rechargeable, and I'm actually going to have you guys look at the screen with me so I can talk you guys through this and show you how to set it up properly. So go ahead, come on guys, come on. I don't bite often. Originally, I did have it where as soon as I pulled out the tag, it wanted to connect. I hit something and it just disappeared. This is my Find My app. We're going to go ahead and continue. Oh, so we're going to add an item, add Airtag, connect it, and obviously you're going to have to pick on what you are using it for. So if you have multiple ones for your phone, camera, whatever the case may be, you can set it up. We're going to put it in, I'm going to put on my keys because I'm constantly losing my keys. So it is registering to my device. It's being set up. That little sound that you just heard is actually from the device itself. It's not from my iPad because it's on complete silent. So it's showing you the exact location of where my device is. So if you were traveling out and you lose your keys, well, pretty much you know exactly where it is. Now it's going to tell you the location. So hypothetically speaking, if somebody were to take your device and leave with it, then you'll be able to track it down. If it's near your device that you're using, whenever I lose my keys, if it's within the vicinity, it's going to say that it's with you. It does say that it has been found, but now it's going to be searching for it. Oh, so you can actually set up the device and send a message if somebody were to try and connect it. So I have hidden or had someone hide the device, so I don't know exactly where it is. We're going to play a sound. You can barely pick, I'm pretty sure it's very light, but I can actually hear it. So we're going to get directions to it. We're going to continue. So allow while using this app. So we're going to walk to it. So obviously the device is still within my house. So it's not going to give me a walking distance or anything like that. So pretty much if it's local, so if you know that you have not lost it, or, you know, you haven't been anywhere, you know that it's in the house with you locally, the best thing you're going to have to do is just play the sound. So if you're out and about and you know, bouncing from one location to another, maybe a couple of friends' houses, you're going to be able to find it that way with your location. Of course, unless it's within your vicinity. So that's pretty much it. Cut and dry. Let me see, lost mode. What is that? Enable it. No. So it's going to notify you when it's found. So if you're out and about, lose it. This item is linked to my Apple ID, so no one else can pair to it. And you can actually leave a message for somebody to contact you. Overall, I can easily see this thing being a lifesaver. I know that last year my mom had a pet lemur. Well, my parents had a pet lemur, and unfortunately he got away and was never found. But I promise you, if they had one of these, you would easily be able to find him. But Sammy has been replaced with Sammy 2.0. My family's crazy. That's how you end up with me. I'm the sane one in the family. Sane-ish. Okay, there, I said it. Sane-ish. No, but seriously, this would be great, especially for pets. If you have a dog that loves to just dart out and get out and things, if you have crazy cats that like to escape, aka monger, then you guys will definitely be able to benefit from this. They do have tags, so that way you can put it on your, your purse, your backpack, and things like that. Yes, I've heard horror stories about this as well, so please don't mention that. I don't want to scare anybody off, so I'm just going to leave that as is. Ladies, just be careful of your surroundings. That's all I'm going to say. And make sure that you check your purse. It is not rechargeable. So there is a battery in here. It's one of those little watch batteries. I want to say it's 23 or 3202, something like that. I'll put it in the description below just to give you the correct numbers that are in here. I tried opening it with a butter knife, but I didn't want to scratch it up or anything like that. I mean, it's working fine, so I don't want to damage it anymore. Then I probably will damage losing it and everything. But yes, there are, you can slip it in your wallet, your purse. They have dog tags that you can get for it, for your luggage, all sorts of things. So you can probably put it on your kids too. Put it on a necklace, make it look real cute. Hey, you never know nowadays, okay? Gotta be, for those that are a little extra paranoid, if you want to, You can never be too careful, especially for special trips, if you're going on vacation or something like that. I didn't see if it was waterproof. These are not waterproof. None of Apple products are waterproof. They are water resistant, so if you get a couple, if it's raining or something like that and it gets on it, it won't be damaged, but you cannot take this to go swimming or anything like that. So that's a fair warning if you're at the water park or something like that. Unfortunately, these won't be valuable. But if you're going to maybe an amusement park or something like that, have your kids carry one, probably be your best bet to be able to find them and say, hey, meet us at XYZ, or, we'll go find you, something like that. So that'll be a added benefit. Then if you want to alert your kids that, it's time to, be wherever, you can alert them without, having to call or text or anything like that. Or if they ignore your text, there you go. If your kids aren't old enough to have cell phones, but if they're out by themselves, they should have a cell phone. Sorry, no kids here, so just try to think for parents out there. But yes, I would especially go for the animals because they're the ones that are going to be running out the most. But for locally, for your keys, because I know I'm always losing mine. Phone, oh no, I got my watch to find that. But if I lost my watch and my phone, then I might need to think this one out. Can I get one of these for my devices that I lose my device? I'm always home, so I know it's somewhere. I know I haven't lost it. I know it's home, but that's a whole nother ball game. So yes, I definitely see these as being hugely beneficial. Obviously, Apple heads are gonna love these. So yeah, and then also, these would be great for luggages too. I've not mentioned cost. So these run about 30 bucks a piece. Typically, you're going to need to replace it. Depending on how much you use it and how much you lose your things, you might use it a little bit more. Like I said, I can literally lose my phone every 5 minutes and not move. Don't ask me how. It's not like I have a dog taking it away. and Monger really doesn't care to take away my stuff unless it's food. But even then, he's picky. Anyways, so yeah, 30 bucks. They do have sets where you can get, if you get multiples, they do have discounts as well. I think I've seen a deal for you get 4 of them for 100 bucks, which is even cheaper, depending on how many you need. But yes, I would definitely suggest this, because if you're like me, losing things left and right, this will save you some sanity. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. And also keep in mind, I will be doing a comparison between the Galaxy Smart Tag, and Tile. So make sure that you stay tuned. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.